Hello everyone, welcome to this class on spreadsheets for engineers, and in this class let's learn this plot a scatter graph and perform the following data for the following data and perform these tasks. Okay, so first what we'll do is I'll just try to select all these data. So here you have this table, so go to insert, so click scatter graph. So here I can select with only markers. Okay, now let me try to move this chart over here. Okay, now let me try to perform the tasks. So whatever the various tasks that is has. So give the chart title as heights versus weights. So this is, wherever this points are marked, that is a plot area. Outside that, it is a chart area. Okay, let me just click outside that, and here you have something called design layout and format. That is the chart tools. So here there is something called chart title. So click chart title. Let me give about chart. So let me go to this formula bars and enter heights versus weights. Heights versus weights, enter. You get that. Then second one is they have asked show data labels at the top. So click data labels over here, and then click above. So you get the data number labels above. Add a trend line and display equation on the chart. So click these points. So click these points, any one of the point, and then right click. Then you have if you right click, you will get add trend line. So give linear trend line always, and then click this, check this box or select this box, display equation on the chart. So I've got the equation. So let me try to move that equation separately here. Okay, so that it's visible. Next, format the plot area by giving different solid or gradient color background. So let me give a gradient color for the plot area and a solid for the solid color for the chart area. So now what I'll do, I'll click on this plot area. So right click, format plot area. Then I'll give something called gradient fill. So you can see once I give gradient fill, it changed. So let me click close. Now format chart area by giving solid or gradient. So I'll click on the chart area. I'll right click. So select it carefully. So I'll click format chart area. I'll give solid fill over here so that it looks much brighter. So let me try to click close. Show the legend at the bottom. So legend at the bottom. So if you can click here legend. So under this chart tools only, design layout and format, under layout you have that. So show legend at the bottom. So click that. So you will get this. Format the y-axis by changing maximum and minimum values. So in y-axis weights, the minimum value is 53, maximum is 72. So let's give between 50 and 75. So let me click over here. So let me format axis. Let me right click and give format axis. Let me give the minimum as from automatic to fixed. So fixed I'll give 50, and maximum I'll give somewhere around 75. So let me click OK. Apply major and minor grid lines and then remove it. You can leave it or else you can remove it also. So here you have design layout and okay, format design layout. Okay, where do you have? So once before that I have to click over this chart. That is very important. Click on this chart and then only you will get this you will get this. I'm sorry, don't double click on it, so that you will get this. So here you have under layout grid lines. So let me try to apply horizontal grid lines. Already there are major grid lines. Now let me add minor grid lines. So you can just see there are minor grid lines. Similarly, let me add vertical major grid lines as well as vertical minor grid lines. Or else you can also give at a time major and minor grid lines also. Or else you can just click directly and you can click none. If you click none, everything will get removed. So you can just see everything gets removed. So we have applied and then we have removed. So this is how you do this problem. So this is a shortened video of the previously done lengthy video. I hope you understood. Thank you.